Good evening, folks. We're live at 5:54 p.m. battling for John's Voltron figures. I'll go up and take a look at them here quick. While I'm here, I'm going to copy my list of 20 spots. There they are. Voltron figures. I think excuse me for 1 second there. 20 spots. I'm going to take our list over here to random. 20 spots, which we have right over here to find our winner. Going to roll the dice. Got to get a 5 or better to play. We did. We got an 8. So we're good to go. Good luck, guys. Cool figures. Matt Johnson takes round 1 and 2 and 3. He's on a roll. And 4 and 5. Thor breaks up the streak there, taking round 6 with number 1. Matt Johnson again on top in our next list round 7. Bringing us to the last round. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Our winner is Matt Johnson at number 18. Congrats, sir. Here's the verification. We'll make it legit. IOGAOV is our verification code. Matt Johnson at number 18 is the winner. I'm done at 5:55. As you can see right there. One last time, here's the results on our winner, Matt Johnson at number 18 in the top spot. Congrats, sir. See you next time, guys. Thanks.